Hi, in 2016, I shared an idea how Excel can be used to customize calendar. Now, after 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, 1, 22, okay, 7 years later, I feel I came across another ideas that my student asking, right? So just a few days ago. So what happened is that he need to design you need to plan ahead, right? On how to use this schedule all the meeting for the managers ahead of time. So I asked, why is it that you cannot use Google Calendar? They say that if you put in Google Calendar, it will become something that is real. But they want to stimulate. I said, wow, that's a great idea. I never thought of that. Okay, so idea aside, you need something solid to implement. So I know that I created a calendar, so I can't give them an immediate solution that until this morning after a few days, and I don't know where it comes. It comes from God that today I'm able to give a solution based on that. So instead of the way he currently designed, I suggest that the just use back the best invention that man has ever invented. It's just that it is easy. It's just that, like my business coach says, that it is easy. And why is it people don't use it? Because it is easy not to do so. So you got a calendar, okay? So you look at that. This is a calendar, and I improvise it from here. So this calendar comprises of the knowledge that you need to learn, which is how to use the date functions, the number format, the and, the condition format, the design, the hyperlink, formatting, merge cells, insert, name cell, date, is date, weekdays, week numbers, all these, and yeah, design files as well. So and then I can simply change it to 2022, which is this year, and it becomes 2022. And look at that, it is let's say now I'm in the month of August, so we can see that it's on the month of Monday, right? That's not true. Nope, that was not true. So somehow it's just because it seems great that oh yeah, it is. It is. Yes, yes, it is. It is. Right, Monday is on the first. Okay, so let's need to double check on that, right? So first, and look at that. September. Oh, wow, that was first of September on this on the yeah, it's on the Thursday, right? You can see that's on the first. All right, that was that cool, right? That was very cool. And well, what's so great about it is that I can look at weekly plan, right? Let's go and look at the one, and I come here, and you can see here. Let's say, okay, I'll just go back here. Let's say I have a training on the, okay, so where are we now, right? The 21st, so 21st somewhere here. Okay, so this is a week. So how do I create that? Well, simply I can just use this here, and I can just give it, rename it to week. What week is that? Week 35. So I can just rename it to week 35, and that's it, right? So now I will just go back to my week 35. So I just right click here, is edit my hyperlink, and I want to go to week calendar, but I want to go back to my this specific. Can I just go back here and check? Oh, cannot. Okay, if I want to go back to this cell here, which is K26. Okay, so I'm just going here, and I'm just go to K, go to week K26, and click OK. Let's see what works that here. All right, is that back here? So now here I just press Ctrl K. I go 3 6 here. So I click on this here, it's move here, and click on this here, come back to 35 instead of going to half here. So right there you have this here. Okay, so let's go here. Alright, so go here and go back here to the file, and of course I can put in some data I have, right? So let's say tomorrow I'm going to pop one of the property company. I just right click here and say I want to insert a link, a note, right? A note. So I can just go back at 3 p.m. is the training. 3 to 5 p.m. is the training for Ching Hing. Okay, so I'll just come back here. So this is one, and then I just press. But I don't want to put everything here. Just put it here. So go back here, 25, and this is the month. And the training is 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. So this is the training. And simply can block it, right? So go block here and change it to say it's a green color. Okay, and just instead of instead of doing merging, I can do a merging, but I sort of put it here as Excel training. Okay, this is for CO level, C level, CO level, and MD level. So it's a private coaching. So it's not training, come plus coaching. Okay. So yes, I'm training a CEO and so on. And then next is that. So do I reach there on time? No, of course I need to do some planning here. So plan ahead of time. So who knows that? Since I'm moving there, so I must as well go somewhere here to eat lunch there. Right? So I will be spending the time here, over here, probably here. Okay, I gotta start moving my butts here, right? So try get out. Hmm. Okay, get out of office. Okay, and then have a lunch here and so on here, and then here sit here, and here I want to say finish trading. So maybe we will have dinner with CEO. So if that's the case, then what does it mean? Is that I need to arrange with I cannot send my kids to kindergarten anymore. So you can see that that's what directors and CEO works. Right? They really have not much time here. So once we finish this year, we're gonna check some email and so on. So this is a time for some creations, right? So get out, so get ready. So maybe here I need to get ready, right? Get ready with my works. Get ready with my shirts, pants. Get ready. Prepare, prepare materials. Yeah, in fact, yeah, you just got in my mind, right? So now, what's the time now? Now it's 7 something somewhere here. And yep, I need to go for church. So the church somewhere here, and it's somewhere here, and somewhere here. All right, so there's the church activities for this week, and let's just put your name here. Okay, maybe here. Okay, so this is the church activities, and again, same thing. All right, 8:30, gotta prepare here, prepare. Alright, church activity somewhere here, and I need to prepare material, right? So the material should be somewhere here to here. Alright, somewhere here. So that's the planning. Yeah. So we're here, print the 2 copies of Excel. And that means that I need to plan this here ahead and again. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And since I'm going back here, so I can do some walking and somewhere here, having some lunch, and that's here. So that is my another. This is my exercise time and dinner time, and that's it. It's come back here, and you really don't have much time here. So I set my time here. As for me, I really set my time somewhere here to here is stuff for my this is actually my after that is my reflection time. So this is the key thing is that is I done that every night I spend some time on reflections, and every morning I do some uh, I read Bible, and then I do reflections, and I do my recording. So this is also the same things that I do, and then that's where I do start working somewhere here. So do I, as a MD, do I, directors, do I work just 9 hours? Obviously not, right? So if you want to be entrepreneur, then don't think about that you can work just 9 hours. You don't. Okay, you don't. So that is starting time. Start time, end time. So you work here, you work somewhere here, but we have a flexibilities of the time where that, well, let's say like tomorrow I'm not going to do somewhere else, so I can work on some other project that I have. Now if it's a full day training, so then this is what happen, right? I will need to block it. So again I will block it. So let's say here, yeah, maybe here, what's the answer, what's the color there? Okay, I don't know, we get the color this here. What was that color, huh? Yeah, it was something like the here. So second here. Let's say I have a training. So this is just fictitious, but this way I don't really have training. But I do need to prepare. I need to plan. So here I need to spend out some time to work on my project. Every day consistently do something here will be good. Well, here I actually need to send my kids to send kids to preschool. Okay, so I got to do this here. So that will be somewhere here. Then I have my dinner, and then come back here. I need to learn something here at most somewhere here. So this is where learning time. Um, that's my learning time. Learn what? Learn PBI, Power BI. So why do I do that? Because I have a training. I have a session on very coming months on the calendars on this year. So that is my top achiever plan 2022. Just a stimulation? No, not exactly, right? This is really a real issue. So I want to show you how I plan it. Right? You may improvise from this. So you see that at a glance, I can see this very clearly that what I need to do. And if you say that usually people want to spend time here, I don't really want to bother my CEO friends right on this time. So let's put it here. So I protect this time here. So if you plan this ahead, then you will realize that actually you don't have a lot of time to go. I mean, I don't have, right? I'm not sure you. I don't have a lot of time to go to social media, post all these things, right? So if I can just choose one out of all the social media, I'll choose YouTube, right? And it's a great way to help people where people want to search for ideas. I give them the ideas freely, and the more you give, the more you receive. Yeah, that's it. And if you want to learn how to create this calendar, of course, you can buy my online course. I will show you how to do this. Or you can ask me to coach you if you're CEO, just like how I did for tomorrow. Okay, you can always see me tomorrow at Kuchai Lama. Okay, somewhere here. Have a lunch here. Or maybe I'll meet somebody, or maybe not. I just plan, decide what to do this, and this is having dinner here. So this is reflection. So what do we reflect? So well, I gonna reflect on what I learned from the CO. Okay, so and I can see how I applied it, and this one will in turn come back to here, right? To flip this here. So this is the time that I can create my videos. As if you notice here, I always create my videos somewhere here. Okay, so this one here, and this is here. So I create a video and I put it here. So where do I get the source from? Right, so from here. So it is from here. It create to here. Okay, what is this? Whoa, what is that, man? It seems I discovered something new. Huh? I don't need this. I just need this here. Okay, right here. Okay, so I'm gonna work on some of the HRD crop things and plan ahead. You will have more time and always uh, create some time flexibilities, and you need to have if I exercise here, I can exercise here, I can exercise here as well. So if I cannot exercise here, I will exercise here. So something like that that you can work on. I think it's somewhere here, yeah. So that's the exercise. Okay. So I know that on Thursday, somewhere here, I'm gonna exercise right here. So I'm planning ahead of a week and Saturday as well. So as for today, I haven't cleaned up my laundry, so I need to clean up my laundry also. It's kind of a busy life, right? Because of this year. So I also need to plan that tomorrow somebody had to send my kids to fetch my kids back to school, right? So plan that also. Mm. Okay, thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia. And you Excel, what can you do? Well, it depends on your creativity. And if you learn more, and you can use other people' experience, then you can create from average to extraordinary. And that is a top achiever mindset. Plan your time. And this video, I'm going to teach tomorrow the CEO level, the C level. Maybe they will benefit from that. God bless you. God bless Asia. Together, we excel before 50.